guys, it snowed so much yesterday and my balcony is full of snow. So with that snow, I made a little snowman, and here it is, and that's what it looks like.
Guys, it's so cold today that it's -4 degrees and it feels like -11 degrees, which is a lot. And also, it's a bit windy today. Here comes the fun part. Now I'm pouring some paint over the kit of the snowman, but it covered the face, so I had to put snow on top of the color. And this is how my snowman looks like at the end.